I love a good Google Chrome extension. Like, love it. You might be a web designer, a freelancer, in the WordPress community, and I'm gonna share with you my favorites. So let's jump into it, shall we? So I've got Google Chrome installed and ready to go. If you don't, I highly recommend. It's my web browser of choice, with Firefox being a close second. You can go to google.com/Chrome, download it, and you're good to go. After that, you want to go to the Google Chrome extension store, and that's where you can start downloading these. Now I'm going to do my best to leave the links to these in the description below, and I'm going to put a presentation so you can go through and see everything that I've talked about so far. So in no particular order from left to right, I'm going to show you all the extensions that I have, why I like them, and why I think you'll find value in them. The first one is Extensify. Now, Extensify is great to turn on and off your Google Chrome extensions. As you see, I've got a lot there and I don't use them all the time. So it's nice to keep things tidy and optimize Google Chrome for speed by just turning some off. So you can go in here, you can turn off some that you don't want, and it's very. So the next one is Cloud App. Is an image capturing platform. It's really good for taking quick screenshots and taking quick video. Next up is Stencil. Now, Stencil is a great platform to create social media graphics, info media graphics, or blog post content, whatever you need. It's very quick, it's very easy. This Google Chrome extension just allows you to access that platform nice and quick. And I highly recommend using Stencil for those quick graphics where you just need a couple seconds, put it together, spit it out. The next Google Chrome extension that I love using is Colorzilla. Colorzilla is a color picking app. So it's very easy to come in here, click on it, and just go into any element that you're seeing on a website. You really want that color, like, oh yeah, boom, got it. You've got it on your clipboard, and then you can just paste it into the design, back into Stencil or whatever you're working in. Next up is Visual Inspector. Now I love Visual Inspector. This is sort of like a all-in-one design tool to get assets. I use this in my videos all the time. So for example, I'm on my website, I can just go the inspect tool, just like you do have in the developer tools of a browser. Start changing like the CSS. You can grab all the colors from a website. It just shows you all the colors that you've got, and it even shows you all the typography and even the assets. Next is Pixel Me. This is a link shortening marketing app. So it's helpful for retargeting ads and setting up redirecting links. Next up is Grammarly. Now I really love Grammarly. I think I need it a lot more than I would like to admit. But so apps like Grammarly really help you out, especially when you're writing up a document in Google Docs or wherever you're writing. It's just nice to see that misspelt a word, fix it up. So Grammarly does that everywhere you are on websites, so very, very handy. Next up is SERPstat. Now, SERPstat is an SEO all-in-one tool. It's optimizing web pages for search engines. It's really cool you can go in and you can do some competitor research if you wanted to go up against other blogs that you're in the similar field. And it's also got these nice handy links to all the other features that the platform has. Very big platform, but simple to get your head around once you play around with it. Next up is What Runs. Now, I love What Runs. Really quick info tool, what a website is using. I'm on my website right now, and I can see that I've got WordPress 5.2 installed. I'm using the theme Astra, and it's got a few of the other technologies like my CDN, Cloudflare, sort of all that good stuff that I like to use. They're very easy. If you want to find out what plugin, you can go there and go hit What Runs, and it'll give you an idea of what's going on that website. Next up is LastPass. I highly recommend getting a password manager. So I do really recommend LastPass, mainly to keep yourself organized and to not lose passwords, but whatever you do, do not lose your master password, okay? Next up is just a Google Drive extension, which is fine. Nothing really special about that. This other one is quite nice. Now, I believe that this is now built into Google Chrome, but this is a password checkup extension. So if your password is compromised that you're using, it will notify you. Okay, the next one is ad blocker. Now I do love a good ad blocker, it's so easy. Next is Kit. Now this is a platform extension, kit.co. Content creators and makers of all sorts go share the gear and the software that they love and they like using, and it really helps the creators. And the last one that we've got today is Flipboard, news/reading platform of choice. I do like Flipboard. It's got a nice user interface. It's not perfect. It doesn't always pick up RSS feeds that I want to add and I want to follow. And it's got a lot of amazing content that people are putting there. Okay guys, so there are my favorite Google Chrome extensions. Some are really helpful. Some are just good to have, and some I don't use all the time, but it's just good when they are there. So I hope you found a Google Chrome extension that you want to add to your list that you might find helpful. If you did, awesome. Give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, please give me some feedback. Leave me a comment and say what you didn't find helpful, and maybe I can improve this in the future. And please consider subscribing either way. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later.